Hello, in today class, I discuss about the centrifuge work. A centrifuge work with the principle of the sedimentation due to the gravitational force. When a tube is spun with the bottom side outward to the spin, the centrifuge force created by the act like high gravity on tube sample, and this pull down the heavier component of a mixture faster than the lighter component, and they neatly lay down at the bottom of the tubes in the layer. The continuous tubular centrifuges work a little bit differently. Instead of the holding tubes, they are basically rotating drums with the slanted walls, and the heavy part of the mix goes to the outer wall due to the centrifuge force, and the lighter parts stay near the center. Both are extracted by separate outlet while new mix gets added continuously. How to operate a centrifuge? Place the centrifuge in the operating place, preferably a very stable lab workbench. Open the centrifuge lid. Keep the power off for now. Perform basic cleanup as per the manufacturer's instruction. Put your liquid in the centrifuge tube and insert the tube in the bore holes on the platform. If you have less number of tubes than there are the holes, try to distribute them evenly around the platform so that the spin can stay even. Close the lid and turn on the power to the device. Operate the control to start the spin. The control may be different from the model to model you had. Better the consult the instruction manual first. If the device support it, you may was not to set a timer hold, and when the spin stop, let it stay still for a few minutes. Now collect the tubes from the platform one by one, very carefully, not to shake them. Put them in designated centrifuge to rack. At the end of the workday, make sure to perform regular cleaning and the maintenance for the lab and centrifuge machine. Thank you.